We're going to deal with a math problem having a little bit of faith knowledge in it. Let's look at this picture. Who is this?
A pope.
This is Pope, the present Pope, Pope Francis. And what is he doing over there?
Blessing some children.
See, here some students, some kids might have gone there to visit the Pope, and he's blessing them. Okay, now this is a math problem about popes. Can you read the question?
There were 266 popes in over 2,000 years of church history.
Okay, there were 266 popes, 2000 years of church history. After Jesus founded the church, almost 2000 years. Okay, now can you read the next line?
Out of them, 84 popes were officially recognized as saints and canonized.
Okay.
How many popes were not canonized?
Okay, now 84 popes where the church officially recognized them. That means officially, formally said that they are saints. Okay, others also there will be saints, several saints, 1000 saints, but the official recognition or canonization means the church shows that they are the real role models. Okay, for example, your name Padre Pio was officially, formally recognized, canonized as a saint. Okay, Saint John Paul II, he was a pope and he was recognized as a saint. That's what canonization. Now, how many popes were in the church altogether?
266.
266 after the church started, and in 2000 years there were 266 popes. Now, out of that, only some popes were canonized as saints. How many of them were canonized as saints?
84.
84. Now, what do you think about this problem? The question says, how many popes were not canonized? So what you should do? Add or subtract? Subtract what number from what number?
266 and 84.
84. So you have to subtract 84 from 266. Okay, even though you are a second grader, can you write it and do the subtraction over here? Okay, so let's do the subtraction. Look at those numbers. What are those numbers?
266 and 84.
84. Okay, so let's go with the subtraction over here. 266. Great. Okay,
minus 84.
4. Good job. That's perfect. So there were 266 popes in the Catholic Church. Out of that, 84 were canonized. Right? So you subtract and find out the number, how many popes were not recognized. Right? So when you subtract, as I was always telling you, add a 0 there too. Good job. Great. Okay, now you have to look at the number on the top, whether it's big or small.
It's big.
So what do you need to do?
4 to 6.
So what you get?
5, 6, 2.
Write it down. Now this one, 8 and 6 on the top part, look at the number, whether it's big or small. What do you think?
Small.
It's small. What do you need to do now?
Cut.
Cross out. Okay, good job. Make it 16. What do you need to do with 2? What do you need to do with the 2 over there?
1.
1. See, great subtraction skills. Okay, now what do you need to do next?
8 to 16. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 8.
8. Good job. 16 take away 8, or 8 to 16. It's 8. Now the next one. 0.
0 to 1. 1.
1, or 1 take away 0. So we got the number. There were 266 popes in the church. 84 of them were officially recognized as saints. Everybody should be saints in the church, but some of them are placed as role models for us. That's what canonization means, okay? The church officially says that this particular person did really good. You can look at them and learn your lifestyle, improve your life to become a saint, okay? That's what canonization means. And 84 popes were officially recognized as saints, and some other popes were not recognized. And what is that was the question. So how many of them were not recognized as saints? How many of them were not?
182.
182. Let's go back to the question. Can you read the question one more time?
There were 266 popes in over 2000 years of church history. Out of them, 84 popes were officially recognized as saints and canonized. How many popes were not canonized?
So what did you do? Can you explain? What did you do? What was the total number?
182.
No, what was the, yeah, that's the answer, right? So what did you do in order to get 182?
266 minus 84.
84. 266 was the total number. You subtracted 84 from it, and what did you get? 182.
82.
Can you select the right option now?
Let's read this first. 185, wrong. 172, wrong. 182, yeah, right.
Yes.
122, wrong.
Okay, so let's go to select that.
I'm sure.
Yay, we did it. Good job.